CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.2. Compare and contrast accessories and connectivity options for mobile devices. Port Replicator. A port replicator is a device that plugs into a laptop or other mobile device and provides additional ports for peripherals, but does not provide additional features. With that said, they typically plug directly into these mobile devices through a USB, USB-C, or Thunderbolt port to multiply the number of available connections. Essentially, it allows a laptop to interface with a variety of peripherals that would typically be connected to a desktop computer, providing an array of ports such as USB, HDMI, Ethernet, and sometimes more specialized ports like serial or parallel ports, depending on model. The convenience of a port replicator lies in its ability to consolidate connections. For individuals who alternate between multiple workspaces or those who are frequently on the move, the port replicator becomes a stationary hub to which all peripherals are connected. When the user arrives at their workspace, they can connect their laptop to the port replicator with a single cable, immediately integrating with all the connected devices. This is not only a time saver, but also reduces the physical wear and tear on the laptop's ports from repeatedly plugging and unplugging peripherals. With the trend of making laptops thinner and lighter, many models sacrifice the number of available ports, which can limit functionality. Port replicators address this limitation by providing the extra ports that users need without the need for internal hardware upgrades or external attachments. Additionally, they have become more advanced over time, with the latest models supporting USB 3.0, USB-C, and Thunderbolt connections for faster data transfer, providing outputs for high-definition displays and offering power delivery to charge the laptop while it's connected. For professionals, students, or anyone who uses their laptop for various tasks and needs to connect multiple devices, a port replicator is a valuable investment. It transforms the laptop into a dynamic workstation that mimics the connectivity of a desktop computer, enhancing productivity and making it easier to work efficiently in any location. The streamlined setup enabled by a port replicator is a simple yet powerful solution for maximizing the potential of portable devices in today's mobile-first world. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.